on, bro. What?
Ideal. Outside?
Remember, just about everything on this island wants to kill you. Team 1, this is Base. Becky, are you en route with the replacements and supplies for Team 2? Yeah, Millie. Almost there. The locals ain't none too friendly in these parts. Looks like things are heating up. Okay. Keep your eyes wide open. And I thought we grew things big in Texas. Don't that fade off? Howdy, Kate.
Hey, Becky. Park the truck over there. Tommy, we're gonna need help putting up the traps. Joe, how's it look back there?
Hold on, I need more light.
Oh, great. I hate these flying rats. Vortexes! Take cover! Joe!
Come on, get in the truck, let's go!
Kate, we're going after her. The sand hills? Kate, behind you! Get down! Come on, Kate! Let's get out of here! I'll tell you! Go! Come in. We done lost Kate. Becky, come back. We called everyone back. Hush now. Nobody make a sound. That's it, you boys. Yeehaw! We found ourselves a cause. Dang if he ain't right in front of us. And way too close. Nobody move. Don't even breathe. Yeehaw! We made it!